Hi guys, this is Venkat with Lead the Life. In this video we are going to see how to download and install Olive Video Editor. Let's do it. Open Google Chrome, type Olive Video Editor in the search bar and hit enter. Open the first link. Click on download. Now select your operating system. Now select the installer suitable for your system. Download will start in 2 seconds. If that doesn't work, click here to download again. You can see download has been started. Meanwhile, let's see the features of Olive Editor. After completion of download, click on olive.exe file. On the welcome screen, click on next. Agree the license agreement. Now browse the location where you want to install Olive Editor and click on next. Now click on install. After completion of installation, click on next. Now click on finish to run Olive Editor. Now you can see the welcome screen of Olive Editor. Olive is free open source video editor. Okay friends, this is the end of the video. If you like the video, hit like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.